I'm Randy Zarek, Director of Machinery Sales at AHB Tooling and Machinery in Roseville, Michigan. This is the Ermak 149-ton by 10-foot model power bent Falcon. Ermak or Ermak is a 53-year-old company based out of Eastern Europe. They produce over 3,000 machines per year in their 1 million square foot facility and ship all over the world. This is a Y1, Y2 synchronized press brake, which gives plus or minus 4/10 repeatability. It has generous open heights and strokes, 17-inch open height, 11-inch stroke, 31-inch X-axis, 10-inch R-axis, and CNC crowning. All standard on the Falcon package. Ermak uses Delum, Sibilec, and Ermak controls. It's a nice, simple touchscreen control, easy to use. Delum is the largest CNC press brake control builder in the world with over 80,000 units in service. Standard equipment includes quick release ram clamps that take both American and European tooling, precision rollari hardened and ground punch, 4-way die, and heavy-duty sheet support arms with vertical adjustment, disappearing stops with a scale on linear rails. The Falcon model has manually adjustable Z1, Z2 fingers, which are easily adjusted from the front. The fingers have 3 hardened gauging points, 1, 2 with some support, and 3, and they tilt to move with the sheet. Another standard feature on the Falcon model is the CNC crowning, which is controlled by the Delum. This automatically crowns the bed depending on metal thickness, metal type, and metal width. All Ermak brakes have very heavy frames with deep throats. This is a 16-inch throat on a 149-ton machine, 4-inch thick at the throat. The ram is guided with 4 hardened and ground ways and 12-point frictionless roller bearing guidance for ultimate high-speed bending. They use the world's best components available locally, including Siemens electrics, Mitsubishi drives, Herbiger valves, which are the world's most accurate valves for Y1, Y2 brakes, and Heidenhain scales. Another benefit to the generous open height and stroke is the ability to put in custom tools as needed. Taller dies, this is a standard 60mm base. Tall gooseneck punch, this is a European style. There's still plenty of stroke and open height. Machine can be ordered with optional dual electrics, where by simply flicking a switch, you can change from 240 to 480 volts. This machine comes loaded with safety features such as the Fiesler ACUS laser light beam. It's attached to the ram, travels with the punch, and shoots a laser beam right down the tip of the punch, allowing the operator to hold small parts close to the tooling and be 100% safe. Safety interlock switches on swing-away doors on the right and left side. Infrared light barriers on the back of the machine. If you break the beam, it stops the press brake. Okay, now we're going to bend apart 2 90-degree bends, 2 135-degree bends. You can see the profile of it on the screen. Go to bend position 1. The screen tells you which way to orient the part. Bend 2. I'm using more open height than needed, but it shows the generous open height and stroke. A little shorter open height. Then 3. And the back gauge drop to use the step for a little more support and positive gauging. We have our part.